Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cleaning motivation and lifestyle videos. Today we are going to be making homemade French toast, or as I like to call it, a breakfast dessert. So if you would like to see how I made it, stay tuned. For your ingredients, you're going to need some Texas toast, cream, some brown sugar, 4 eggs, some cinnamon, vanilla, nutmeg, and a stick of butter. My griddle is preheated to 350. Now let's get started. I'm going to grab a bowl and mix all 4 eggs until they are well blended together. Now add in 1 cup of cream, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of cinnamon, and a dash of nutmeg. Now mix it until all the ingredients is well blended. Now this part is very important. You're going to coat your skillet or your griddle with butter. Now I'm going to take a slice of Texas toast and saturate it in both sides and make sure the corners are done as well. Let the extra drip off and then go ahead and place it on your griddle. Measurements for this recipe makes 8 slices of French toast, but I did have 2 extra pieces. You're going to let the one side cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until it is golden brown, and then you're going to flip and let the other side cook for 3 to 4 minutes. You can put whatever toppings that you like on your French toast. Me, I like fresh fruit. So while the other side is cooking, I am going to cut up some strawberries. You can add bananas or blueberries or any kind of nuts. The sky's the limit. So this is the final product. On my plate I have 3 French toasts just sliced in half. You see the strawberries I just cut up. I have some butter and powdered sugar, and I'm going to be adding some warm syrup on top of it all. Let me know in the comments down below, how do you like your French toast? What toppings do you like on it? As always, thank you guys for watching this video. If you're not already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next one.